Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2014 Chevy Malibu LT, stock number X327XX. Only 27,000 miles on this Malibu. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, Ashen gray metallic in color. Malibu is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seats 5. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And removable cargo net, perfect for keeping smaller items secure. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Read gauges. Again, only 27,000 miles with driver information system. Cruise control. Steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel. Large touchscreen infotainment system. Full radio. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. Or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest, USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect media devices, spacious glove box, and home link transmitter for garage door opener overhead. Under the hood, this Malibu has a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder, 196 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy, especially for a mid-size sedan. EPA average of 25 miles to the gallon and a city average of 36 on the highway. And approximately 60% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Malibu, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.